And welcome back to Do I Need a Lawyer? I'm Gary Martin Hayes. Hey, thanks for starting your morning with us. And please allow me to step away from a legal question and talk to you about a nonprofit. My wife and I, Sherry, come here, Sherry. This is a nonprofit we started back in 2008 called Keep Georgia Safe. And the mission for Keep Georgia Safe is to provide safety education and crime prevention training to Georgia's families. So check out our website, keepgeorgiasafe.org, for all kinds of safety information that you can use to help protect your family and yourself. Sherry, thanks. She's going to got to go take the girls to school. Thanks, Sherry. Bye, Sherry.
Bye, Sherry.
All right. Now, let me share with you some more important information regarding internet safety. And this, again, is on keepgeorgiasafe.org. We all know the internet is an amazing creation. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, we have information at our fingertips about any subject. We can use it for communicating, like emails or instant messaging or chat rooms, shopping, research, games, sharing photos. So many of us would find it hard to even function nowadays without the internet. But along with all of these great benefits comes some great risk, worries, and concerns. One, the content found on the internet, pornography, information about alcohol, drugs, how to build a pipe bomb, you name it, it's on the internet. The improper usage of the internet. Students can download papers instead of creating it on their own. Gambling, overuse of the internet can be addictive. Recent studies show that we spend 28.9 hours on the internet versus 13.6 hours watching TV per week. Cyberbullying, it's another problem. 3, the security of the internet, financial theft, ID theft, stalking. We really don't think about these issues enough when we go on the internet. And that's one of the goals of Keep Georgia Safe, to help all of us become more aware of the dangers that are out there so that we can better protect ourselves and our families. And I'm going to share with you the 2 most important lessons you need to know and stuff that you need to teach your children about the internet. The first lesson and the number 1 rule, we have to teach our children to protect their identity. Our children should never disclose their full name, their address, the phone number, their age, where they go to school, where they hang out with friends, sports teams, or the location of extracurricular activities. And this is very important. Yet our kids are out there putting up who knows what for the entire world to see on the internet. And here's some scary stats. There are more than 21 million teens using the internet right now in the United States. Over 61% of those teens have a personal profile page set up on networking sites like Facebook, MySpace, Instagram, or Twitter. 64% have posted a photo on their profile, and 58% posted information about their neighborhood online for the entire world to see. 8% of the teens have posted their cell phone number online. 69% of teens regularly receive personal messages online from people they don't know. Think about that last step for a moment. These kids' parents should go ahead and call the producers up to catch a predator, because it won't be long before they start having strange men showing up at their house. Child predators use the internet as an unguarded playground. So if your child is unsupervised on the internet, you are allowing these predators unlimited and unrestricted access. Just how safe, or maybe I should ask, how dangerous are these social networking sites? According to a report that was issued in July of 2007, MySpace found more than 29,000 registered sex offenders with profiles on their site. If you're a fisherman, you're going to go where the fish are. If you're a predator, you're going to go where the kids are, on MySpace or Facebook or some of these other sites. This is extremely important, and I want parents to please think about this. 29,000 registered sex offenders with profiles on MySpace. This is the same MySpace that your kids are posting their photos of themselves in bikinis or with their school sweatshirts, their cell phone numbers, or even their home addresses. Keep in mind that 29,000 number, this represents registered sex offenders that were discovered because they signed up using their real name. Think how many people beat the system by using aliases. Think how many sex offenders are on MySpace that have not yet been arrested or caught. Now here's a secondary concern you should have about the internet. Your child's actions at the keyboard. What your child is able to access when they're on the website, either through their actions or through accidental exposure. Here's some tips that I'd love for you to use to monitor your child's activity. 1, the direct approach, restrict internet access when you are available to physically monitor your child's activities. You can also use an internet service provider and have them put filters on your service. This will restrict your child's access to some of these inappropriate sites. And the third is what I call the Ronald Reagan approach. You can trust but verify. use monitoring software to track your child's surfing habits. And 4, make sure your computer is in a common room where you can monitor your child's activities. 5, set ground rules about when, how long, what content is off limits, and the consequences when rules are broken. Now, this is just a little bit of information about a subject that really demands a lot of attention. So I encourage you to find out more about internet safety as well as all other kinds of safety tips that you can use to help protect your family and yourself. I encourage you, please visit keepgeorgiasafe.org. Keep Georgia Safe is a project of the law offices of Gary Martin Hayes and Associates. It's something that we take very seriously because we want to help protect Georgia's families. Again, thank you for checking out Keep Georgia Safe. More of Do I Need a Lawyer? We'll be back in just a moment. So hang in there.